Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a 5-year review of my Masterbuilt electric smoker. Stay tuned. So what you got in front of here is my Masterbuilt electric smoker that I've had for 5 years. This electric smoker has been featured in a lot of my videos, especially when it deals with electric smoking. I wanted to give you guys a 5-year review. This smoker, I actually put up a video 5 years ago where I unboxed it. So if you want to see that, I'll put a link up here so you can see it right now. But I want to go over some of the good, some of the bad, and my overall impressions of this. To begin with, let's go over some of the goods, or a lot of the goods there is, as a matter of fact. So the way you see this here, the smoker, I have it out here in the elements. 5 years worth of being out here in the elements, and it's still going strong. All right, that's one. It's very durable. The other thing is, during my smokes, I always check the temperatures to make sure that they're within the right range. This smoker has never failed me in regards to that. So as far as keeping temperatures, it keeps the temperature very well. And it's very, very durable. A third thing that I would like to say that's good about this electric smoker is that it takes a licking and it keeps on ticking. I had a hurricane force winds pass through the area, and this smoker actually fell because of the winds, and you can see some of this damage here. And even with that damage right there, it's still really, really good. Keeps the temperatures insulated really well. I don't know if it had to deal with it falling. I don't even remember anymore if it was because of that or not. But my door here kind of fell apart. So what I did is I used some of these hinges to keep this door upright. Okay, so when I open this up, kind of falls down because it's falling apart on me, but it still works. As far as the smoker itself, it still works really, really well. I have no complaints. I've never had any issues with it. I've always used this as my primary smoker. The one bad thing, or let me open up this before we go over the one major problem that I have with this smoker. This is what it looks like. You know, I clean it every once in a while. I also have videos on that. If you want to see that, I'll post it right now. So the one thing that I can say negatively about this smoker is, for whatever reason, after about 6 months or 8 months after using it, it wanted to stop smoking on me. It would not produce smoke at all. I mean, there is a way around it. What I did is I bought this. This is called a cold smoker attachment. All right, so what this does is it creates smoke here and it takes it in there. But that's like the one negative I have about this smoker, that for whatever reason it stopped producing smoke for me using the chip tray. But after that, I started using this cold smoker attachment, and all the problems went away in regards to that. If you're in the market, if you're looking for something easy to use, this is the product that you want to try to look for. Only because this is the 40-inch. I would strongly recommend getting this 40-inch because it gives you a lot more space. There is a smaller version. I think it's called a 30-inch Masterbuilt 130, and this is the 140. The 130 is okay. It's the same thing. The problem is that it's kind of small. Like, you can't really fit a good brisket in there. This is I primarily use this to make briskets and ribs. And my briskets that I use, let's say a 15 pounder, 18 pounders. This thing, one time I was able to fit 5 briskets, close to 80 to 100 pounds worth of briskets in this thing, and it took it like a champ. So yeah, that was my five-year review on this smoker. I have another one locked and loaded in my garage for whenever this one kind of like totally gives out on me. It hasn't so far, so I'm gonna keep loyal to it until it does. So this has been the Smoking Beard. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Thank you for watching.